Hello everyone, welcome to the session. Today we are going to discuss another important theory question from the Engineering Services Examination 2026 Mechanical Engineering Paper 2. And one thing I always tell my students is that in the ESE, every small definition has a big concept hidden behind it. And the terms like module, pressure angle, addendum, dedendum, circular pitch and the backlash are not merely definitions. They are the building blocks of the gear design, and these concepts are also frequently asked in the interviews because they reflect your understanding of the machine design. And today's topic is addendum. Although the question is only one word, but by the end of this session you will understand its definition, physical meaning, importance, standard value, applications, and some common mistakes what students always make. Now, before defining addendum, let us visualize a gear. Okay, so imagine looking at a gear wheel. So each tooth has two important portions. The upper part which projects outside the pitch circle and the lower part which extends below the pitch circle. Now ask yourself, what do we call the height of the tooth above the pitch circle? So that height is known as the addendum. So in simple words, addendum is the height of the gear tooth above the pitch circle. Okay. So this is the easiest way to remember it. Now, add means what? Above. So since the word addendum starts with add, okay, so think of above the pitch circle. This memory trick is enough to recall the definition even the examination. Okay, now let us understand the engineering definition. So what is the definition? Addendum is the radial distance between the pitch circle and the addendum circle or the top of the tooth. So in simple language, it's like it's the portion of the tooth that lies outside the pitch circle. And if we represent pitch circle radius as RP, and RA is the addendum circle radius, then addendum, this is RA minus RP. Okay, so for the standard involute gears, addendum, this is M, where M is the module. Okay, so this is one of the most important formulas in the gear geometry. Now, for a standard involute gear, addendum is module. Remember that. This is very important. Okay, now let us understand its engineering significance. Why do we need an addendum? The addendum is the part of the tooth that first comes into contact with the mating gear tooth and continues to transmit motion. And it influences the tooth engagement, contact ratio, smoothness of motion, and power transmission, and the gear dimensions. So without a proper addendum, the gear teeth will not mesh correctly, leading to poor transmission and increased wear. Okay. Now, here is an interesting observation. Many students think the strongest part of the tooth is the tip. Actually, the root of the tooth is stronger while the tip, that is the addendum region, is more involved in initiating and maintaining the contact during meshing. So understanding this distinction shows a deeper level of engineering knowledge. Now, let us see what happens if we change the addendum. So take the case 1, that is small addendum. What are the advantages? Lower interference and the simpler manufacturing. And disadvantages? like the reduced contact ratio, less smooth operation, shorter path of contact. Okay. Now take the case 2, that is large addendum. The advantages are like longer contact between teeth, better contact ratio, smoother transmission. And what are the disadvantages? Increased possibility of interference, tooth tip becomes relatively weaker, and manufacturing becomes more critical. So therefore, engineers select the addendum carefully to balance smooth operation and interference. Okay. So now, can we increase the addendum indefinitely to improve the contact? The answer is no. Beyond a certain limit, increasing the addendum causes interference, weakens the tooth tip, and may lead to improper meshing. Okay. Now, students often confuse between addendum and dedendum. So let's compare them. For addendum, it is above the pitch circle, the height of the tooth above the pitch circle. Standard value is module and ends at the addendum circle. And for the dedendum, it is below the pitch circle, the depth of the tooth below the pitch circle, and the standard value is approximately 1.25 into module, and it ends at the root circle. Okay. So these are the things. I hope now all the concepts are clear to you. So see you in the next session with a new question. Bye-bye.